close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Again, but I'm not saying nothing because I joke time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire, go on, Parry, fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In the 5-star, at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the jelly this year. Whoa! You don't want your mother. Hey, Paris. Bless Saturday morning to you. Me, I'm a crow. Me, Dad and Uncle Murphy. Dad, you want to say good morning?
Morning.
Uncle Murphy?
Morning.
Okay.
Family.
Yeah. So, we are on the road to St. Mary once more. And all of that. So, I'm going to give you next journey with me.
The hills of St. Jacob.
Yeah. But upon the tool, yeah. So, I soon flip the camera and show you what I want. So my master, you know. So I know I say, Debbie, where is your master? My master, my mask. But I don't have no test class. Catch you. So we are on the toll road. Yeah, we are head towards where we are going. We are go backward. But we are going instead of going around Angels and South Murphy. Yeah, we're on the toll. So we are cut out the toll. We are cut out the Angels long road there. So we're on the toll now. Heading towards Flatbridge. Toll road life. Yeah, I can't take toll for God, St. Mary. What a sitting. Hey. The road is pretty prestige. So when we end out, when we finish the toll, I'll show you all where I'll end out. I make sure I make you know where I'm going now. When you come look for me, you have the thing all, you know, and all of that. Prestige Road, early morning, still overcast, but not so bad. St. Mary we say, yeah, catch you. Going through the next toll, this is the one where Uncle Murphy have to go down in and pack it. Hungry, you know, the breakfast.
Is it?
The one who sit down with them here, mumble something up in the ear.
I'm at security.
Oh, no security and in the back. Toll road style. Out there, so right? The Angels out there, so yes, sir. So we cut out the whole around and the long road, the Uncle Murphy.
Come on, the whole of Spanish Town.
Yeah. This I would have told her name. That told her are the Caymanas.
No, they call that one the part of so they call that one Angel. Yeah.
See the Spanish Town damaged. So we cut out the whole of this. So Spanish we cut out the damaged and Kent Village we cut out.
No, we are going towards Kent Village. Yeah.
We are going towards Kent Village and now catch you the sign out there so say.
I got damaged and Kent Village.
Oh. underneath the clothing. You know, come out yet, don't. So we are going to damage there now.
Yeah, they have damage there.
Yeah, we don't damage there now. Alright, round upon the flat bridge road there, we're towards Flat Bridge.
And the gorge.
Yeah. Where everybody afraid of the beautiful Flat Bridge. It's beautiful, but I don't know why they're afraid of it. But when you check it out, when we go junction, a pier corner.
A pier corner.
And when we come around here, so to a pier corner. No, so.
Yes. But this
Alright, Mr. Man, go on.
second, I had
Sick of them, man. I don't know what is wrong. One. So this are the toll road. Next one for carry got watch it up top up there. So yeah. And then place the Devil Race Course. And then, when I got Devil Race Course.
Lindsay, and then you are done. And but when we go Lindsay, they go up that hill.
Oh. Camera shake. Round the gorge we go, Paris, and the morning the sun is just, you know, it just overcast. Not now go on for the sun, but we are still a our country. You can see it. Yep. We don't know, we have some overcast weather for the past 3 days. Yeah. A flat bridge is Uncle Murphy around the top.
Heading towards flat.
Yeah, then I eat that. Reach a fast, man. The flat bridge, yeah. We are going around, traffic a bit up. Nice Saturday morning, yeah. Beautiful flat bridge. You know me want to know? Why it's only teeny car go over this bridge? And the big trailer man them can bend up and come over it. But some little teeny car, them affair go over the bridge. Barry, you know, look, we're going on to the bridge now. Watch, we're going on to the bridge. Let me see if I can catch this good. So the bridge, now we're on the bridge. Yeah, what you think? Why a small car would go over here? You know? But a big trailer lap up right round, come off of the bridge now. Yeah. Why a small car would go over there? Comment and tell me. But a trailer. Yeah, let me tell you some trailer. I don't know if them truck they're not big on trailer. Lap up and bend up. Yeah, come round it. All them one there. And the man, yo, and the trailer man, them not play around here neither, you know. You better know what you have to do around here. See all one it. And when them man there negotiate for going on the bridge, them not them not play. But a little teeny car, them just take it like joke and run over the bridge all the while. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. All you have to do is just go easy, you know. You're not supposed to overtake around them type of a road, yeah? You see, the thing is, you know, the indiscipline. You have some people now with a little line of traffic you want to build up. Yeah. They don't want to wait. That's the point. And that I call somebody, you know. They don't want to wait. And they don't understand that this water is a deadly water around here. And all of this road, when the rain falls, Paris, all of here that you're looking on, when the river is in spate, all of this road here is just water. So that's why when you hear them say the Bagua Gorge is impassable, no come round here. Don't drive around here. Just like how you hear stay your yard. When you hear The gorge is impassable. Don't try to execute it. Not try it. Because all of that you're looking at right here now, you know what it is? It's all water. So the water over there, so you me open here, see it? So it just come right over and flood the road. So you don't know where road there, from which part river gully there. Catch you in the next clip. Alright, but 740 ton in there, show them the rock. Rock them over there, sir. See there? See, you see all of them rock them over there, so at the tunnel. It's 740 tunnel. I don't know the right name, we just know it as 740 tunnel on the Port Antonio line. And we still round the gorge. A bit misty some places round here and some part the sun a peep out. Yeah, you see this one here, you see him a come round. Yeah. Like him not have no sense. See them there? Some of them come round the corner, them rigid too, you know.
Yes, and get under control.
Yeah. Come round too, take it too deep, man. Because remember you need to understand, you know. Sometimes me I say, you see, hear what me I say, gentlemen. Me I say, if you drive around here so often, you must know the road.
Of course.
Eh? Like how you drive a junction. You're not supposed to know the road, say, you must learn how to negotiate your corner. Right. So some people when I drive around here often I run off of the road. Yeah. See all over there, so another water there over there, so I want deadly water that in a barrier. You see, it's still serious water that anything go over in there, you know. Remember? So, yeah, and yes, it end out. Yeah. So the end of the tunnel here now. I tell you how tall this tunnel is. It's long. Really long. So the end of it, yeah. Uncle Murphy, you get it, man. That no country, man. Then look, see the train line there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yeah. I have to go zoom it up. I pass it already. Train, I tell you.
Backside train, see the one.
Yeah.
Come find you at that.
Yeah, so a bag walk with them now, right? Yeah, we done the gorge now. So we're there a bag walk here right now. I'm not telling a lie still, you know. When we go around the toll there, you know, we reach. When you take it toll, it toll, and I think the $200 Uncle Murphy.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
No, sorry.
Come in Paris, $200 and the toll, 2 to go and we're coming back, 2 again, so 400 Jamaican dollars. To and from on the toll we are pay for gas St. Mary outside that gas. Right? I don't think it's bad, Uncle Murphy. I don't think it's bad. Because it cut out a lot. It saved a lot. Yeah. Bagwalk Square, we are heading at the square. And